What's up, guys? Check out this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a really cool white and gray color. It's nice and small and portable, so you could use it anywhere. You could use it for inside the house, to do your carpets, to do your couches. You could also use it in your car, since it's so small, to clean up all the things in your car. So check it out. It has an on button and an off button. Unfortunately, it's only one speed. That's okay. And then it has a little latch right here, so you could open it up, clean it up. It comes with these attachments, so it comes with the charging station, so you could just plug this into the wall and plug it in, and then it will actually mount onto this. And then it comes with a little brush to clean it in case you get some hair and stuff trapped in there. It comes with these screws in case you need to replace the ones that are already on the vacuum. It comes with these different attachment heads, so you have this one to try to get stuff that's stuck in between little small crevices, and then you have this brush one to clean other surfaces. And it comes with a carrying bag, which is really nice, so you can put all your stuff inside of the bag, even the vacuum. Keep it nice and organized and neat. So we're gonna go ahead and try this vacuum out on the carpet and then on the couch, and then we'll try it in the car. So check it out. We're gonna turn it on. You just long press to turn it on, and then you just simply use it like any other vacuum. Nice and easy. Very nice. Then we're gonna check out how it works on the couch. You can see you could use it basically anywhere you want, especially because it's so portable and small. Very easy to use. All right, what's up, guys? We're gonna try it out in the car now. We got this nice crevice attachment, so we could get right into those little spaces in the car and clean them up. So let's try it out. So first we're gonna get in between the seat cushions. You can get back under there, suck all that dirt up. And then we're gonna even go back here. We're gonna go down onto our mat, clean up all that sand and dirt that's in here. Make it nice and clean. You can see it sucks all the stuff up very nicely and gets it all clean. You can reach really far with this attachment and in tight places too. Go ahead and check it out.